Hey, TriMech clients, we're here on the floor of the Partner Pavilion, SOLIDWORKS World 2018 in Los Angeles, and we're here meeting with some folks from Ciara, and I was really excited to meet with these guys. I was having breakfast with a SOLIDWORKS employee, and he told me that I had to come see these guys. The hardware that they're putting together is blowing some other vendors that are on this same floor away, and we're really excited for what that could mean for your productivity. So I'm gonna hand it off here. Maybe you can tell me a little bit about the company background. And I understand there's an emphasis on CAD workstations that you guys are really excited about. Can you tell me about that a little bit?
Sure, thank you. So Ciara is a 30-plus-year-old company. We've been around in the IT business providing standard and niche solutions, hardware solutions for customers for, like I said, over 30 years. And most recently, we've decided that it is time once again for us to be back at the forefront of cutting-edge workstations and server products for niche markets such as SolidWorks end users, Dassault, CATIA customer end users, and we are launching here today our next generation Kronos and Titan server and workstation lines. We traditionally have always been in the hardware business, offering standard and custom server lines. We specialize a lot in really tweaking these products to make sure that the products are built to meet a specific need or use, not just to be another Me Too product out there in the marketplace. And a lot of that and our ability to succeed in doing that has to do with our size. We are the largest Tier 2 hardware solutions builder in Canada and one of the largest Tier 2 solutions builders in North America. But because we're not too small and not too big, this allows us to really work with our customers and design and modify, customize products to really meet their needs in a timely fashion.
Just to finish up on what you were saying, not only do we customize, but it's important to understand that we have the flexibility and agility to ask fast. So first we want to understand the needs, and then we can see what the client actually wants or proposes, and from there our engineering team and our account managers will actually put it together in very quick fashion. And I think that's a very important point now for our company at this time, and why we've changed a little bit of our strategy, and we'll be attending more and more of these type of events, and we're soon going to be certified with the DSI in the next few months.
Wow, that's amazing. So clearly you guys are breaking some pretty remarkable ground here. What are some of the other things that you've seen walking the floor? What are some of the other things that you've seen at the show that are just blowing your mind?
You want to take that one first? Okay. There's a lot of virtual reality here, and I think that it'll be interesting to see the traditional way of interacting with systems, whether it's servers, workstations, or whatever, sitting at a keyboard, typing and all that. I think we're on the cusp of seeing that over the next 5 to 10 years change with this whole push to virtual reality and the way people can analyze and manipulate data and even input data to get the results that they're looking for. So that's been really impressive. There's also some really cool robotic stuff here. But at a show like this, we can't deny the fact that, at least in today's world, workstations still play an important part of the role in getting real work done fast enough and well. And there's a number of solutions providers here like ourselves that have some pretty interesting stuff, although, I'm going to be biased and say, actually, we have some very interesting stuff around here. And actually, as you said earlier, from what we're hearing as well, independently, the fastest for running some of the SolidWorks applications.
Takeaway is also VDI. We're going back with the idea we're going to get more into the VDI, and our stations and our servers have that capacity. So when we return, we all do a report on that, and that's a big takeaway from this show also. Phenomenal exhibitors also, not just us.
Yeah. Well, this has been amazing. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna have to talk to my boss about getting me one of these, and I hope you guys do the same. Thanks for your time.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.